WOMPLY, PPP. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. I'm here to bring you guys the latest and the greatest information. Of course, if you are new to the channel, make sure you guys like and subscribe. I will be bringing you guys daily content for your benefit, my benefit, everybody's benefit. At any time, if you guys want to, feel free to drop a comment below. Let me know how you guys feel, exactly what's going on. If you guys have been funded, I know a lot of people have been getting funded this weekend. Also, happy Father's Day to the fathers out there. Don't forget, people are getting funded today. So if that's a good thing, you know, if you guys got funded, that's pretty good. But I'm going to continue to stay positive and try to push, you know, some good positivity to you guys, because I know a lot of you guys have been waiting to get funded, whether you guys been waiting weeks, months, years, you know. So hopefully we got some good news for you guys. And if not tonight, tomorrow, everybody will be getting funded. Feel free to drop the comments below. Let me know where you guys stand. Once again, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. If you are new to the channel, make sure you guys like and subscribe. So let's get right into this. This is strictly from WOMPLY. They began to say how people are saying Harvest is not funding no more when people got their money last week. Speak for yourself. I'm getting funded. Stay positive. A good Sunday and happy Father's Day. Now, if you have Harvest or like I said Blue Acorn or WOMPLY, let me know in the comment section. Let me know how long it actually took you guys to get funded, because a lot of people were getting funded within weeks. Some people were getting funded within months. So everybody's different, as I always talk about. Then I always like to tell you guys based on the amount. So let's say if you were funded for 5K, 10K, 20K, you may receive your funds sooner than somebody who is supposed to receive 40K, 30K. So it really all depends, and trust me guys, it does depend. But a lot of people have been going through a lot of glitches as well. So if you had to re-verify time after time, you could be part of this glitch cycle that everybody's going through. You know, it's kind of hard to tell exactly if it's a glitch or not. I totally understand, but the best thing that you guys can do is either you guys can look at it like this: either if the glitch is going on, you guys could actually continue to try to re-verify. But some people and some reports are stating that if you continue to do that, you'll actually get booted out of the system in queue. Meaning, let's say if you were in line, let's say if you were at a grocery store in line and you were fifth in line, right? If you keep re-verifying, that can actually knock you out and put you at the back of the line. So in this tough situation, and it's a tough call, but you guys have to make that call. You know, I can't make that call, you can't make that call, but I would say if it continues to happen, you know, you kind of just got to do what you got to do, right? Now, we're going to keep hope alive, as we always do. If you are funded or been waiting to get funded, you should be getting funded here soon. So let's just keep hope alive. Somebody began to say, facts, we're getting paid tomorrow, which is Monday. And I wouldn't put it past anybody, because a lot of people were getting funded Sunday. Sunday night, people were getting funded Monday morning. So it could go either way. Somebody said hopefully, but I'm on lender funding right now. Somebody said I'm seeing people get funded today. Not a lot, but some, so the chances are looking good right now. So we're just going to stay positive. You know, that's all we can do, is continue to stay positive and push that envelope of people are going to get funded. Somebody said, I'm seeing people get funded today. Not a lot. Okay. Must not be traditional banks, but they getting funded. That's all that matters. So when they say not traditional banks, they're talking about a bank like Chime, a bank like Dave Bank, XYZ. You know what I mean? Like a traditional bank is a bank that you could actually go into. Let's say like a Huntington. You know, that's like a traditional bank. A Chase, that's a traditional bank. You know, especially places, a key bank that you can go in your car, drive to these physical locations. That's like the traditional bank. Now, somebody began to say, you saw somebody get funded. They said, yeah, today. No, it's someone on this group page. Somebody said, we're from Chicago. I'm from California. Oh, nice. Now, I'm not going to say it depends on location, but a lot of people from California, from Chicago, have been getting funded. Somebody began to say, congrats to you guys. I know last week was tough for everyone. I was there too. I signed my PN on 5/31 for first draw. I went into lender funding on 6/11, UBI on 6/12, borrower refunded on 6/15, and funds in my Capital One bank account from Harvest LENDISTRY on 6/16. So happy for you guys. The funds are on the way. Praying they drop early this week for you. So that was a basic timeline that this person actually began to display. When they signed the PN, when they got their first draw, borrower funded, all of that good stuff. So that's a good timeline. Somebody began to say congratulations on getting your funds, and yes, we hope so too. Again, my name is Quinn Banks. If you guys got questions, feel free to drop those questions and concerns below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys want to be entered in the giveaway. Now that's very, very simple, very, very easy to be entered. So let's get right to this, because a lot of people was questioning Capital Plus. What's the payouts? You know, what's the latest updates? What's all that good stuff? So a member of my channel actually began to say, Capital Plus latest payouts. Just finished searching the PPP loan database. You can search by lender and sort by approval date. By looking at this data, I'm seeing that no one who's been approved since April 28th forward has not been funded by Capital Plus. As he talked about, if you guys want to subscribe and like, feel free to do both of that. All you guys got to do is hit the like under the video, and then also subscribe. So you hit the subscribe button as well at the bottom. Somebody began to say, I'm with Capital Plus as well. Thank you for sharing. Thanks. Been on lender funding for like 3 days now. Thank you for this. I'm Capital Plus. Appreciate the information. Somebody said, I am with Capital Plus and been in lender submitting since 5/23 when I signed my docs. When I signed my original docs. I'm with Capital Plus, still waiting. If you guys got Capital Plus, as I always say, feel free to drop those comments and concerns below. That way, not only I can help you guys, but Capital Plus, and other bank accounts could help you guys as well, because you guys know they all watch my content. PPP site, it shows undispersed amount in my lender as control. That's my lender as Capital Plus, but on WOMPLY it's harvest. I'm confused. I was confused reading that, but yeah, I know a lot of people have been confused. I wish I had a little bit more information on that, and it's kind of hard for me to actually get any information when you know, things aren't moving. But the best way for me to get the information is from you guys. So if you guys ever feel the need to drop a comment below it or on any of my videos, feel free to do that for everybody. So if you guys have Wells Fargo, drop the comments below. Let me know exactly where you guys stand. I know people with Cash App, which I talked about in my previous videos. People with Cash App have been funded with ease, and there was a lot of people was hitting me up about that as well. So I try my best to respond to everybody, and I do know also, like I said, when it comes to like Chime and Cash App, they reach out to me personally and they tell me to basically give you guys the best information possible. So we're going to get into these comments. First or second draw, somebody said I applied on the same day but haven't received PN yet through WOMPLY. Now I do want to know, I do want to ask you guys, do you guys have WOMPLY, Blue ACORN? Who are you guys using as your lender? I know a lot of people was talking to me about Blue ACORNs and talking about how Blue ACORNs was a scam. But I do want to let you guys know, it does seem like when they fund in phases, meaning let's say today is Capital Plus, or today is Cash App, or today is Wells Fargo, where that's the hot bank to get applied to actually get your funds through, you know. And then it's like there's moments, then it's, let's say in a month or a couple of weeks, it may be Chime Bank, you know, and then the week after that it may be Chase Bank. So it really all depends, guys, on the moment. But I do want to let you guys know they fund in batches, meaning they'll fund 1,000 people at once, they'll fund 100 people at once, 500 people at once. So it's hard to really tell. And also what actually determines your funding process is the amount. Now people was getting funded for $40,000, $30,000, and of course that may take a little bit longer than somebody getting funded for $5,000, $3,000, $15,000, $20,000, you know. So there are certain limits, but everybody should be funded, especially if you are in the system. Still no PN for me either. I was told if you don't have a loan number by now, the application wasn't submitted to the SBA in time. Now guys, let me know if that's true or not. I know lots of people who did not receive a loan number and they still were funded. So I wouldn't say that's 110% the truth, but that is a possibility, guys. Now feel free to drop your comments below. Let me know where you guys stand. I will be keeping you guys updated, of course, with the latest and greatest information, as I always do. We're going to talk about Chime, Capital Plus, all that good stuff. But as I said, make sure you guys like and subscribe. That way, you guys are in tune with the latest and greatest information. What is going on, everybody out there? My name is QUiNTiN Banks, SBA PPP loan. Looks like we got Cash App being funded as of today. If you guys are using Cash App, feel free to drop those comments and concerns below. A lot of people is asking, should I do Cash App personal, Cash App business? What's the best way to actually use my Cash App to get funded? I'm going to have all of those answers here shortly. But first, make sure you guys like and subscribe. That way you guys are in tune with the latest and greatest information. And I'm done talking. Let's get into all this good stuff. All right, so this was a screenshot I received. This says your direct deposit of $11,521 was direct deposited. It does look like it was at 6:45 a.m. So it's vital if you guys check your emails. You guys want to check your emails